Love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to BeautiCo. So today in this video, I am going to be showing you a day to night eye makeup look. So the daytime look is going to be very wearable, very easy to do, and that same look I am going to convert it into a nighttime look. And yeah, I'm going to keep the nighttime look really glam, but at the same time very easy to do. So let's quickly get started. But before going, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you guys get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's get started quickly. Okay, so I've quickly done my base. Now let's move on to the eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you all a little bit closer. So any eye look is gonna start with the eyeshadow base. So I am gonna be using my concealer, and the one that I'm using is the E.L.F Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige as my eyeshadow base. The next step is to set this base so that I don't get any crease lines or the eyeshadow base does not move. So I am just going to use my loose setting powder to set this base. You can even use your compact powder to set this base. Next is eyeshadow. For that I am going to use just one shade all over my eyelids, and that's it for the daytime. That's all you need. So you can go in with a peachy nude or a warm nude. I am going to be using this particular shade from the Makeup Revolution's Precious Stone Rose Quartz palette. This shade is called as Nectarine, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. And the same shade on my lower lash line, just to add some color. The next two steps are very important. So I am going to be applying a liner. For that I am using the Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner. I feel like eyeliner just completes the look, and in the daytime it just looks beautiful. And this does have a brush applicator which makes the application of eyeliner very easy, and as you can see, it's super black. This is water resistant and very long lasting, very easy to use as well. Now, as you can see, my eyes are starting to look very pretty, but it's not going to be complete without some mascara. A mascara instantly gives curl to the lashes, opens up the eye, and just completes the entire eye look. Otherwise, without mascara, eyes honestly look bald. So for mascara, I am gonna be using the Lakme's Eyeconic Volume Mascara. I absolutely love this one. It is super black, adds a lot of volume, and it does not give me clumpy lashes. I have like literally voluminous lashes. I also love the fact that this particular mascara has brush bristles. That way it's very soft on our eyelashes and it's not gonna hurt my eye. And the correct way to apply mascara is place it at the root of your lash, wiggle and blink, wiggle and blink, wiggle and blink. And this particular mascara is water resistant and does not form clumps as well. I absolutely hate mascaras that make my lash clumpy. Do you see the difference between this particular eye and this one? This looks extremely pretty and this looks incomplete. So that's why mascara is really important. regular daytime makeup look. It's fresh yet very pretty, very appropriate for the daytime. So now let's quickly move on to the nighttime eye makeup look. For the nighttime makeup look, I am going to just enhance my eyes. I'm not going to remove my eye makeup whatsoever. We are just going to do all the alterations on this eye look itself, and for that I'm of course using the same palette that I used earlier. This is the Makeup Revolution's Precious Stone Rose Quartz palette. So I'm gonna use this particular shade called as Ember from this palette. This is like a darker brown shade, and I am gonna apply this on my outer corner of the eye. So we are gonna do like a champagne smoky eye, which is ideal for any night look. Just going to stamp this color on the outer corners on my eyelids, and I'm not going to take this color above my crease. And just keeping it halfway. And then I'm going to use this shade called as Amber, and I am going to apply this directly in my crease, and I'm just going to apply this to blend out both the shades using windshield wiper motions, just blending these two eyeshadows. Then to complete the eyeshadow, I am going to use like a metallic shimmery shade. So basically I can use any of these shades to do a night look. So I am going to use a mixture of these two, that is Diamante and Gold Dust. And just blending out the edges using the same Ember shade. Next I'm gonna touch up my eyeliner because we have eyeshadow on it, and I'm using the same eyeliner that I used previously. That is the Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner. And then on my lower lash line, I am going to use the Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, and I'm going to smudge it out just a little bit on the outer corners. And I'm going to keep it halfway. I'm not going to get it all the way to the inner corners. That way I still have like open, like bigger looking eyes. If I go all the way inside, my eyes start looking smaller. So that's the trick that I like to do, just apply it halfway. And then I'm just going to smoke out this kajal. Of course, then finally the last step has to be applying mascara. You need to touch up your mascara for your eyes to again look open, wide awake and bigger.
I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
So this is my nighttime glam. As you can see, my eyes look beautiful. It's perfect for a night out, a party, or a date night as well. So I hope this helps you guys out. So yeah, I am gonna be leaving all the details of the products I mentioned in this video in the description box below, so definitely check it out. And I am going to go now, and I am going to see you all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.